All right, guys. So I have this beauty in this box. I'm not going to say what it is, but we're going to unbox it together. I was gifted this by Kitty Fashion, and I'm so excited to be working with this brand. Beautiful, beautiful brand. I love the way they care for their creators and the love and support that they gave you while on the journey of, doing whatever for them. So I'm going to be unboxing this. And where's my scissors? Let me grab my scissors. We have the scissors here. I'm going to rip through this. This is the brand Gucci, as you can see. Beautiful box. Great quality here. Now let's open this together. 1, 2, 3. Voila. Level 1 is out. We are going to take this out of the box now. Let me see what's in here. Okay, now let's get to the mean girl in this show. That's a pretty bag, right? Yeah, I love it too. So again, this bag is from Kitty Fashion, and they have really great quality bag. It's a replica of designer's bag, and the quality here has, as I can see already, is amazing. Oh my goodness, look at this. Very, very beautiful. Going to rip this plastic off. Let's take this out. Wow, look at this bag, yo. This is very, very high quality, and for a replica, for a dupe bag, this is really giving you, looking, as you can see, look at the fabric in here. Very, very, very high quality fabric. I'm in love with this bag. I am in love with this bag. Thanks to Kitty Fashion for gifting me this bag. If you want to order this bag, you can. I will have a link below that you can check out. And there will be a discount for your purchase. So if you want to order the bag, you can order the bag. Just click on the link and get to the bag. This is very, very beautiful. Again, this is high quality designer bag for the fraction of the price. And the material is amazing. Very durable here. I just love the bag. I love the bag. Yeah, let me put this bag on. So yeah, I will have a link for you to go and check out the bag. If you like the bag, you will have a discount code there that you can use to purchase the bag. Again, this is high quality designer bag for the fraction of the cost. This is Gucci, and this is giving you. It's very beautiful. I love the color of the bag. It's neutral, goes pretty much with everything. Every color is from Kitty Fashion. You can check them out. They have so many options there and so many other amazing designers. It's not just Gucci, just so many other amazing designers. And they also have shoes that you can check out, designer shoes as well. Again, I will link a website in the comment or in the description that you guys can check out and purchase your bag with a discount code. Thank you for stopping by.